Okay, going to do a tool review on this 10-piece metric deep sockets, Halfords advanced range. Generally, decent price. I really like this price. Price was £10, which was with the rail. Good quality. It says on them Halfords Advanced, the size in this case 13mm, CR dash or hash V, which is quite tough metal. Honestly, the deep sockets are not as strong as shallows, but for the money I paid, they've lasted me long. I've had them about 6 months. Can't fault them, but nothing wrong. The only thing is with the 8mm here, it start to mushroom just around the top, which was quite difficult to get a nut or a bolt on that the other day when I was using them. Obviously they've got a lifetime guarantee, but all the way around, decent price, very good quality tools. Really like them. Thanks for watching. Please like.